In this video, we're going to look at numbers around me. Now, what do you need to know before we begin? You need to be able to read and speak numbers in words, have an understanding of basic maths terms, such as add, subtract, terms to describe or compare size of numbers. Hello, and welcome back to the world of numbers. Almost everything in life has to do with numbers. These short maths videos have been developed by MIET Africa with the support of Sanlam Foundation. MIET Africa is an organization that supports education, and the Sanlam Foundation is a part of a large financial institution that invests in education development by working with partners such as MIET Africa and departments of education. There will be 12 videos for grade 4 maths learners to introduce and explain some basic maths concepts. The videos are all organized in sets of 4, with each video focusing on a specific topic in maths. The videos can be used by just one learner or a group of learners. The videos can also be used by teachers to revise basic number concepts. At times in the videos, the viewer may be asked to pause the video and work on a short exercise. This allows learners to try out suggestions and learn by doing. When we work on maths exercises, we have to understand some basic terms that explain the actions that we must take to solve the problems. This is sometimes called the language of maths. The language is not too difficult and becomes easier as we work with numbers and keep using the correct terms. For example, some common words that you will hear are compare, bigger than, smaller than, higher than, lower than, greater than, less than, equal to, more than, is the same as, and so on. I'm sure you've heard of such terms. Can you discuss with your friend or fellow learner what the terms mean? You may give examples. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to continue. How many did you discuss and now understand? Let's quickly run through them. Compare means to look at two things and try to see what is the same or different. For example, looking at 35 and 56. 56 is bigger than or greater than 35. Bigger than, something that is more in size. Smaller than, something that is less in size. Higher than, similar meaning to bigger than, but can also mean something that is on another level up. Lower than, similar to smaller than, but can also mean something on a level below. Greater than, same as bigger than. Less than, same as smaller than. Equal to, two things of the same value. For example, the number 6 is the same as two groups of 3, or 3 plus 3. More than, similar in meaning to greater than. Is the same as, two things that have equal value. There are many more terms that you will come across. You will learn these as you go on your math learning journey. Our main reason for creating these videos is for you, the learners, to build a solid understanding of numbers. Although we cannot cover everything in these videos, we feel that the videos can be helpful to understand the basics of number work so that you can develop a stronger sense of numbers or number sense. Reading numbers and counting are very important basic skills which starts early in your learning. By now, you should be able to count on or count forward. Can you fill in the missing numbers and read them aloud? Did you notice that this is counting in fives, starting on 2. Now count backwards. Read the numbers, filling in the missing numbers. Did you notice that the numbers moved back in threes? Practice your counting with a fellow learner or friend by taking turns to count on and count backwards, starting on any number. Now that you have practiced your counting, it is time to quickly revise the basic mathematical signs that you should have learnt. If you want to make a number bigger, we say that you add more items to the number. Look at the picture of oranges. How many are there? Yes, there are 9 oranges. If we make the number bigger, we add more oranges. In the second picture, you can see the number is greater. Can you say by how much? Yes, bigger or greater by 9. Now there are 18 oranges. We can show this in symbols. 9 added to 9 gives us 18, or 9 plus 9 equals 18. This is called addition, using the plus sign to show adding and the equal sign to show the result. In the same way, we can show how we can make a number lower or less. In the picture, we have 8 mint sweets. We can make this number smaller if we eat some. In the next picture, the number of sweets is lower. But by how much? What is the new number? Yes, we now have 5 sweets. The number is lower by 3. We say that 3 has been subtracted from 8, giving us 5 as the lower number. We can show this in symbols. 8 minus 3 equals 5.